shit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wait! Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Wolfridge Woodworking. I hope you're doing well today. I'm Ed. Welcome to my shop. So what we've got here is a 11 by 3 piece of cherry that I am going to make a fruit bowl out of. It's going to have an undercut rim, going to be kind of shallow, perfect size for a nice little fruit bowl. So I'm going to get a worm screw mounted to it, get it on the lathe, and we'll get to turning this. Okay, so I don't have a square, or not square, but a center finder big enough to do this bowl. So I'm just going to get it as close as I can. This goes up to 10 inches. This is 11 inches, so it'll be close. Okay. All right, so got it pretty much flattened. Now what I want to do is, I want to, from the edge here, it's going to roll up and kind of not be straight across. It's going to roll up and then it's going to have an undercut. So now what I just need to do is mark where I think it looks good. That's 1 inch. Might be too much. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it might be too much there. Let's go with, I don't know, let's see, maybe 3/4 of an inch. Something like that, yeah. Okay. Alrighty, that'll work. Wow, that was a lot of fun. I used the bowl gouges in a way that I don't think I've ever used them with that pull cut, and that made such a big difference in what I was able to do. I did go between two different bowl gouges. The one that was, I think it's a 60 degree, and the other one, it might be a 40 or 45 degree. Anyway, I used two different bowl gouges, and I was able to do pull cuts and push cuts on both of them. So I learned a lot in this video. I hope you got something out of this also. This is going to be our fruit bowl in the house. My wife's already got a spot picked out for it. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it. Well, it's the same thing. Share it, comment below. Again, a reminder, comment below. Tell me, what do you do when you get a green piece of wood that's been a wax seal on it? Do you leave the wax seal on there until you're ready to do it? How long? I mean, I know it varies from environment to environment, but this one I'd had for quite a while with that wax seal on it, and I was surprised that it still was over 10% moisture. We'll see how it reacts over time. Anyway, leave a comment down below. If you're new here, you liked what you saw, and you want to see more videos, click over here. If you want to become a subscriber, click up here, click the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.